Doing 60 squats every day, what happens? Welcome back to Fitness Tips, the place where you learn simple changes that can transform your body more than you ever thought possible. Today, we're diving into something almost everyone can do, anywhere, anytime. No gym. No equipment. Just your own body weight. We're talking about what really happens when you do 60 squats every single day. And the truth is much more surprising than you might expect. Most people think squats are just a leg exercise, but what if I told you they have the power to change how your whole body feels, looks, and even works on the inside? Keep watching because by the time we get to the end, you might not look at this simple move the same way again. Doing 60 squats a day does not sound extreme, but the results can make you feel like you've been training with an athlete's workout plan. The changes happen faster than most people expect, and the effects build day after day. There is one specific change your body experiences that people rarely talk about, and it might be the very reason your energy is low or your posture is collapsing. You'll find out exactly what that is a little later in the video. Let's get into it. Section 1. Your lower body strength rises faster than you expect. The first major thing that happens when you do 60 squats every day is that your lower body strength increases at a noticeable speed. Squats target your quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves in a way that most exercises simply can't match. These muscles are among the largest muscles in your body, and when you train them daily, they respond quickly. After the first few days, you'll likely feel soreness, especially in your quads and glutes. This is normal. It's your body adapting. Within the first week, something almost everyone experiences is the moment when squats start to feel easier. You'll stand up with more control, sit down with more power, and your legs will feel lighter instead of tired. This is a sign that your muscle fibers have already begun strengthening and stabilizing. But here's the interesting part. Squats don't just make your legs stronger. They improve your ability to perform daily movements that most people take for granted. Walking up stairs feels smoother. Carrying groceries becomes easier. Getting in and out of the car feels more natural. Doing 60 squats a day improves your functional strength, not just your gym strength, and that's something you'll feel every single day. Section 2. Your core starts transforming without you even realizing it. Most people have no idea how much the core works during a squat. They assume squats are all about the legs, but in reality, the core is working just as hard. Every time you lower your body and rise back up, your abdominal muscles tighten to protect your spine. Your obliques help stabilize your body so you don't lean or wobble. Your lower back muscles engage to keep your torso upright. Doing 60 squats every day builds a deep, strong core even though you never get on the floor or do a single crunch. Most people think core training requires planks or sit-ups, but squats activate the core in a more natural and effective way. After a couple of weeks, you may notice changes in your posture. You'll stand straighter. Your lower back may feel stronger. Your stomach may start to appear flatter, not because squats burn belly fat directly, but because a strong core naturally pulls your waist in and supports better alignment. Section 3. Your metabolism begins to increase. One of the biggest hidden benefits of doing 60 squats a day is the effect on your metabolism. Since squats target the largest muscles in your body, they require a lot of energy. The more these muscles grow and strengthen, the more calories you burn throughout the entire day, even when you're not working out. This is why people often notice that squats help with fat loss even if the scale doesn't move much at first. You may see your thighs get firmer, your glutes lift slightly, and your waist appear more toned. Squats stimulate your body to produce growth hormones and improve circulation, which helps move nutrients to your muscles faster and boosts fat burning. But it doesn't stop there. Doing squats daily helps improve insulin sensitivity. This means your body manages sugar better, reducing the chance of storing excess fat, especially around the midsection. You're not just burning calories during the workout. You're also training your body to use energy more efficiently. Section 4. Your mobility and flexibility improve automatically. Another unexpected benefit is the improvement in flexibility and mobility. Most people don't realize that squats are not just a strength exercise. They're also a mobility workout. When you squat, you are moving your knees, hips, ankles, and spine through their natural range of motion. If your joints have been feeling stiff, if your lower back has been bugging you, or if your hips feel tight, doing 60 squats every day can help ease those problems. This isn't magic. It's simply how the human body responds to controlled, consistent movement. After a few weeks of doing 60 squats a day, you may find yourself moving more fluidly. Your hips open up. Your ankles become more flexible. Your knees feel more stable. Your lower back feels less tense. A lot of people don't realize how much tight hips and weak glutes affect their body. They cause bad posture, back pain, knee discomfort, and even reduced balance. Squats help fix all of this by strengthening your stabilizer muscles and improving your natural mobility. Section 5. You begin building a stronger, more sculpted lower body. One of the most noticeable changes from doing 60 squats a day is the shape of your lower body. Your glutes become firmer and more lifted. Your thighs gain definition. Your hamstrings tighten and strengthen. This kind of muscle development improves your confidence and makes movement feel more powerful. Squats shape the body in a way that most machines in the gym can't match because they activate multiple muscles at once. When you squat daily, the glutes become more engaged in almost every movement you perform. Over time, this gives your body a more athletic look without needing to lift heavy weights. Another benefit is improved muscular endurance. After a few weeks, 60 squats won't feel like a big task anymore. Your legs will handle long walks better. You'll feel more stable during physical activities. Your overall lower body strength becomes something you can rely on every single day. Section 6. Your heart health and circulation get a boost. Many people don't think of squats as a cardiovascular exercise, but doing 60 squats every day can significantly improve your heart health. When you activate large muscles, your heart has to pump more blood to support movement. Your breathing deepens. Your circulation improves. Your cardiovascular endurance increases naturally. This is why you may feel your heart rate rise when doing squats. Over time, this strengthens your heart and improves your ability to perform physical activities without feeling exhausted. Better circulation also means better recovery. Your muscles get nutrients faster. Waste products clear out more efficiently. Your legs feel lighter and less fatigued during daily tasks. Section 7. Your balance, coordination, and stability improve. One of the most underrated benefits of daily squats is the improvement in balance and stability. When you squat, your body must work together in harmony. Your legs push, your core tightens, your back stabilizes, and your arms help maintain alignment. All of these systems communicate with each other, improving your neuromuscular coordination. This simply means your brain and muscles get better at working together. You'll notice this improvement when you stand on one leg, walk on uneven surfaces, or perform movements that require control. You'll feel more stable and grounded. Section 8. Your mental discipline and confidence grow. Physical changes are only part of the story. Doing 60 squats a day also builds mental strength. When you tell yourself you'll do something every day and then actually follow through, you build discipline. You prove to yourself that you can commit and stay consistent. This confidence spills into other areas of your life. You start to feel more capable, more energized, more motivated. It's not about doing 60 perfect squats. It's about creating a habit that improves your body and mindset at the same time. Doing 60 squats every day may look like a simple challenge, but the results are powerful. Stronger legs, better mobility, improved metabolism, a firmer and more sculpted lower body, more confidence, and a healthier, stronger foundation for your entire body. If you've been looking for a simple daily habit that can help you feel healthier and more capable, try adding squats to your routine. They don't take long. You can do them anywhere. And the benefits are lasting. This is Fitness Tips. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more practical health and fitness advice you can use every day. And if you're ready for more, check out our videos on simple habits that can change your life in the best way.